guys, this is Amruta Balande from Nyanda English School. So today I am going to tell you about forces and laws of motion. So what is force? A force is a push or pull of an object resulting from the object interaction with another object. Whenever there is an interaction between two objects, there is also force upon each of the object. Now we will study laws of motion. So first law of motion. Every object will remain in rest or in uniform motion in straight line unless the force is applied. For example, place an football on ground which is in rest. It will not move until you will kick or someone will kick. Now, inertia, the tendency of an object to stay at rest or keep moving with same velocity is called inertia. Let's take an example. When you are train or an vehicle traveling in train or an vehicle and suddenly it stops, you will experience inertia. In the same way, you will jerk backward when the vehicle begin move. Let's talk about balance and unbalanced force. If the force is unbalanced, the acceleration will be zero. Same way, the force is balanced, the acceleration will not be zero. Now, second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum of an object is equal to force applied on the object. For example, there are two objects on table. One has mass of 5 kg and second has 3 kg. If you will apply 10 net of force to each, which one do you think accelerate more surely? It's 3 kg because it has lesser mass. So we studied two laws of motion: force and imbalance and unbalanced force and inertia. Thank you.